Welcome back, my dear little scholars. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Excellent. This is Harshi, your science educator, is back with the chapter number 3, the world of plants. We will start the unit 2 today. And this unit is all about the plants. We will see different kinds of plants, how we have grouped them, and their features, the different parts of the plant under this unit. So let's start with the chapter number 3, the world of plants of your course book, Science Horizon Acknowledged series by Amit Publication House. Under this lesson, kids, we are going to cover the different types of plants, parts of plants, and how do plants grow. So are you all excited to know about plants? Let's begin. Types of plants. We see so many different types of plants around us. Yes, it keeps our environment fresh and clean. Our earth looks so beautiful because of the plants, right? So according to their sizes and shapes, we have grouped them into big and small plants. So let's discuss what is big plant. The plants that grow tall and they are very strong. So we call them trees, right? They grow tall, they are big in size, they grow tall, and they are very strong. So that is why we call them trees. They live for many years, right? So some trees grow straight like coconut tree. You can see coconut is a long tree. It's a strong and it grows straight. Like poplar also, the example of tree, palm. Here are some examples of tree. Some trees grow straight but they spread out, or you can say they are wider or they are big in size as compared to these trees. These are strong, they are tall and straight, but big trees they are strong, they are wider. So according to their sizes, we have kept them into big. All these are examples of big plants, but some examples of big plants, they grow straight, they are not wider. Some grow straight and they are wider too. Like banyan tree, you can see in this picture, banyan tree have grown straight but it is wider. Mango tree, gulmohar tree are some common examples of big trees or big plants. Small plants. Now some plants, they are strong but they are not big as trees. So we have kept them in the small plants group. Some common examples of small plants groups are rose, sunflower, hibiscus. They have woody stem and they are strong. We have kept them in this small plants category. Some plants are small but they are weak, right? They are not as strong as small plants. They are small but they are weak. They cannot stand on their own, right? Examples are tulsi, coriander, mint. They are smaller than small plants. Yes, they are not as big as small plants are. So you will see the tulsi plant, it is not big plant, it is small plant but it is weak. They have weak stem. What is stem? We will discuss later when we will discuss about the parts of the plants, right? Till now you will just understand this. These plants have weak stem. That is why they are called herbs, right? They are examples of small plants, but they have weak stems. We have kept them into the herbs category. Coriander and mint also are common example of herbs. Alright kids. Next we will learn about climbers and creepers. These type of plants, first we will discuss about climbers. These type of plants, again small plants, they cannot stand on their own. So they need support. They grow along the wall, right? They go along the wall, or they grow around the stick, right? Or they need support to climb up because their stem are very weak, right? So they cannot stand on their own. Examples are grapevine, money plant and pea plant, right? So they need support. So that is why they are grouped into climbers, right? Next is creepers. Creepers grow along the ground, right? Like examples, cucumber, pumpkin and watermelon. Have you observed kids? One amazing fact. What is it? They are creepers. They creep along the ground. They are very weak plants, but they have big fruit. Yes, you can see the size of watermelon and pumpkin and cucumber, right? They are small and they are very weak. So that is why they creep along the ground. But their size of fruit is very big. Isn't it interesting, kids? Yes. Next is check your knowledge. Identify the plants in the pictures below. Write T for trees, S for shrubs, H for herbs, CL for climber and CR for creepers. First is the picture of Gulmohar tree. So we will write down T because it is the example of tree. It is big in size. It is very strong. So it is the example of tree. Next is sunflower. Sunflower is what? It is the example of shrubs. So we will write down S here. We have discussed shrubs. They are smaller than trees, right? They are strong, but they are smaller than trees. Next is the picture of Tulsi. Tulsi is very good. Tulsi is herb. So we will write down H here. Herbs are again small plants, but they are weak, right? Next is money plant. Money plant is the example of climber. It is so weak that it cannot stand straight. It needs support from other things like the climbers grow along the wall or they grow around the stick, right? So money plant is an example of climber. So we will write down CL here and it is creeper. Creeper, again small plants, they grow along the ground, right? Have you understood, kids? Good. So move on to the parts of the plant. Here we will discuss the different parts of the plant. So we will start with roots. Roots is a part of plant, kids, that grow under the ground. Yes, it grows under the ground. It holds the soil firmly so that plant can stand. Yes, it can stand erect. The plant stands because of the root and Yes, we will discuss about stem also. First, we will discuss about root. Root fix the plant firmly in the soil. They have one more function to perform. Roots absorb water, minerals and nutrients from the soil and transfer it to stem. So, this is the function of roots. You see so many roots, right? And roots grow, as we have discussed, under the ground. Very good. It absorbs water, minerals and other nutrients from the soil and transfer it to where? Correct. And transfer it to stem. So, this is the function of roots. Have you understood, kids? Right. So, next is stem. Right. Next part of the plant is stem. Stem grows above the ground. Right. And what is the function of stem? Stem takes all the nutrients that have been transported by the roots to the other parts of the plants, right kids? So, stem is the only part that takes all the nutrients, waters and minerals that have been absorbed by the roots and transferred it to other parts of the plant. And stem bears leaf, fruits, branches and flowers. Yes kids. The next is bud. What is bud? Bud is a small structure. A flower blooms with the bud only, right? Bud grows and become a flower. Next is fruit. Some flowers turn into fruits, right? And most of the fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed, some have another, like they have few seeds and some have many seeds. So let me tell you one interesting fact, kids. Strawberry is a fruit that has seeds outside. Yes. Now, flowers we have already discussed. Next part of a plant is leaf. Leaf make food for the plant. So, that is why leaves are called food factories or kitchen of a plant. Most leaves are green in color. So, green leaves only can prepare food for the plant, right? As your mom cook food for you, your mom cooks food in the kitchen. So, that is why the green leaves are called kitchen or food factories. They make food for the plant and for us also. Next is branch. Branches carry food and water from the stem, right? Here you can see the branches. Stem is this part, kids. Now, some branches have grown on the stem. So, these branches are connected with the stem and these branches take food, minerals, the water, minerals and nutrients that have been absorbed by roots. It is transferred to stem and stem has transferred these water, minerals and nutrients to the branches, and now these branches will take this food to the leaves and then leaves will prepare the food for the plant. Right kids? Have you understood? Any doubt? Very good. No doubt. So, let's move on. Leaves, fruits and flowers are of different shapes and sizes and in different colors too. Fruits and flowers are in different colors. So the leaves, fruits and flowers are of different sizes, shapes and colors. Like all the plants have different kind of leaves. Some have big leaves, some have small, some have tiny leaves, right? So check your knowledge, kids. Colors the given leaves, fruits and flowers in appropriate colors. Like leaves are always green in color. So you can see different size and shape of the leaves. You can fill the green color here. Fruits, apple is a fruit, so it is red in color. So you can fill red color. Mango, you can fill orange. Roses, red, pink, right? Lotus, again pink color. So fill the colors in your book. How do plants grow? Here we have taken the example of apple tree, right? We have sown the seed into the soil and after some time shoot will come out and gradually it grows and become a tree. And this tree first, trees have flowers and then some flowers turn into, very good answers, into fruit, right? And some fruits have seed inside them, as we have discussed. Some fruits have single seed, some have few seeds and some have many seeds and some have no seeds, like banana. Yes, banana is not having any seed, right? And the strawberries we have discussed, it has seed outside it, right? So here in this picture it is shown how a seed can be grown into a tree. A seed is sown under the ground, right? We give water and it takes sunlight, air. In air it takes carbon dioxide. As I told you in the last chapter, plants take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. And this oxygen is being used by humans, animals, birds, insects for the breathing purpose. And we exhale carbon dioxide and this carbon dioxide is being used by plants to prepare the food. Yes. And soon a baby plant grows from the seed. We have discussed in the last chapter, living and non-living things. Plants grow and you can see a baby plant that has been grown from the seed that we have sown. So this is the example of living things. Living things grow. Seed, a part of a plant that can grow into a baby plant, is called seeds. More plants can be grown by these seeds. Some fruits have only one seed, like mango, it has a giant seed. Some fruits have many seeds inside it, like watermelon, papaya, it has many seeds. Yes, and that's all. Keywords and explanation. We have discussed what is tree. Tree is a big, tall and strong plant, right? Shrub. Shrub is a small but a strong plant. What is herb, kids? Herb, a small and weak plant. Climber, they are very thin plant. They climb up taking support of wall, a pole or another plant, right? Creepers, a thin and long plant that grows along the ground. And what is seeds? Seed is a part of a plant that can be grown into a new plant. Very good. So let's recall. Plants are of different sizes and shapes. Trees are tall and strong plants. Shrubs are strong but small. Shrubs and herbs are small plants. Climbers and creepers are thin and weak plants. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. Leaves make food for the plant. A bud grows and become a flower, and some flowers again become a fruit. Most fruits have seed inside them except strawberries. Most of the plants grow from seeds. So let's do the exercise. Recalling concept. First is they take the correct option. Which of the following is a tree? Can you tell me? Very good. It is palm tree. Also fill this circle. C option here. Fill this. One I have done for you. Rest you all need to fill. Second question, which of the following is a shrub? Banyan, gulmohar, hibiscus or mint? Mint is the herb, gulmohar is a tree, banyan is a tree. Which is left? Hibiscus. Hibiscus is the example of shrub. Which of the following is a herb? Pumpkin, grapevine, banyan or tulsi? Very good answers. It is tulsi. Which of the following is a climber? Sunflower, grapevine, coriander or coconut? It is grapevine, right? It needs support. It grows along the ground or it grows around the pole or sticks. Which of the following is a creeper? Yes, do you remember? Creepers grow along the ground, but their fruits are big in size. So watermelon is the correct answer of the creepers. Fill in the blanks. Parts are of different dash and dash. Plants are of different sizes and shapes. Second is dash grow tall and strong. Fabulous answers. You will write down tree here. Tree grow tall and strong. Shrubs are small but strong. Very good. Fourth one is creepers grow along the correct ground. And the fifth one is dash absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Fabulous answers. It is roots. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and transport it to, very good, stem. So question number C. Take the correct statement and cross the incorrect one. First is the bud grows and become a fruit. No, bud grows into a flower and flower grows into a fruit. So this is incorrect. So cross this. Second, most fruits have seeds inside them. Yes, this is correct. Root makes food for the plant. Is it so? No. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and transfer it to stem, and leaves prepare food for the plant. So this is wrong. Fourth is branches fix the plant firmly in the soil. No. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. Most of the plants grow from seed. Yes, this is correct. Alright. Next question, write 2 examples of each of the following plants, trees. We have discussed so many trees: coconut, palm tree, banyan tree, apple tree, mango tree, right? Banyan tree is the national tree of India, right? So you can write down, let's say, apple tree or mango tree. Herbs. Herbs are small plants and weak. So you can write down tulsi and mint, right? Shrubs. Shrubs are small plant but they are strong. So examples of shrubs are rose and sunflower, right? Creepers. We have seen big fruits now. Do you remember? So write down watermelon, and pumpkin are the examples of creepers, right? Now, question number E. Answer the following in yes or no. First is, does the coconut tree grow straight and then spread out? No, this is not true. It grows straight and they are not wider. Does a climber grow along the ground? Again, this is no, because climber grow along the pole, along the wall, around the stick, right? Do leaves make food for the plant? Yes, leaves prepare food for the plant. That is why it is called food factory or kitchen of a plant. Does a seed need sunlight, air and water to sprout? Yes, this is true. Seed needs, we have discussed, when a seed is sown into the ground, it needs water, sunlight, air to grow. Yes. Have you understood, kids? So, stay excited for clamp of new videos, right? Till then, take care. Bye. See you in the next class.